Here's the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. So first thing is go ahead and turn it on. Press and hold that power button and wait till it boots up to this welcome screen here. Make sure you take off this back flap as well. So once you're here, go ahead and tap your language that you want to use. I'm going to go with English is fine, and I'm going to tap on Start. For your review here, so go ahead and read through these. That must be clicked, that must be clicked. And this one down here, I agree sending Dynex data to Samsung. That is optional, that's up to you. So I'm fine with leaving that on, and I'm going to tap on agree. Easy setup with another device, so you can sign in automatically and copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone or tablet. It could be another Galaxy phone or tablet, another Android device, even an iPhone or iPad. So if you want to do it that way, and you can also set up manually. For myself, I'm going to set it up manually here. So I'm going to tap on manual. I'm going to go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi network so I can get that latest update. Let me enter my Wi-Fi password. After you put in your Wi-Fi password, we're going to tap on connect. Now here it says connect to a mobile network. Okay, so you can use you can transfer from another Galaxy phone or Android phone your SIM to transfer eSIM into here, or you can also transfer a SIM from an iPhone as well. This is for the eSIM. Now note also you can put a physical SIM card in here as well. Now you can do this now, or you can do it after setup. For me, I prefer to do this after setup. After setup, I'm just going to manually put a SIM card in there, but you can also transfer the eSIM as well. But I'll do that another time after setup. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and skip this part. I'll tap on skip. Who are you setting up this phone for? Yourself or your child? I'm going to go with myself here. Sign into your Google account, basically Gmail. You can do this now or you can do it later. For myself, I'm going to do it later after the setup and all that. So I'll just skip there and I'll tap on skip right there. And here's a Samsung account. You can sign in now or you can sign in after setup. I'll sign in after setup myself with this as well. So I'll just tap down here, create account or setup later. And I'll tap setup later in settings. Basically why you need a Samsung account. But like I said, I'll skip this and sign in another time. And here, copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, and more. Your apps will be installed after setup. If that's the case, click on next. But for myself, this is a new, clean install phone for me. So I'm going to go ahead and just tap on do it later. Do it later. Protect your phone. You can do Face ID password, fingerprint password, PIN, password, pattern, and so on. So you can basically get several of these if you wish as well. But for me, let me just tap on PIN for now. And I'm going to pick a 6-digit here. And I'll tap on continue. And I'm going to confirm it one more time. Okay, and I'll tap on OK right there. So I just set up my 6-digit PIN, but after setup, you can go ahead and also do the Face ID, password, fingerprint ID, and so on. So we're on here, Google Services, use locations. This is optional. You can always turn it on or off after setup as well. I'm fine with these toggled on. So just read through these here. Okay, I'm good with all those. I'm going to tap on accept. Samsung services, go ahead and read through that, uncheck whatever you don't want. I'm fine with those. I'll tap on agree. Input your date of birth and then tap on next. Choose your display mode. Do you want the light mode or do you want the dark? Most of you is going to go with dark. I like dark as well. I will tap on next. Taking care of your phone, go ahead and read through all that and then tap on next. And voila. We're all set up, ready to go. You can tap on here to see what's new, or you can just go directly home. And now we are in business. Pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below.